It began with a radical idea: to build a car for everyone, offering unprecedented mobility at an unprecedented price. The Model T put the world on wheels. We pioneered the moving assembly line to make it easier to build and streamlined raw materials supplied to meet demand. It was a defining moment, not just for Ford, but for a generation on the move. But it didn't come from a single eureka moment. It was the quiet power of an engineering mindset, an unwavering drive for simplicity, radically fewer parts, a relentless focus on reducing weight. One chassis, many body styles. Car ownership became a reality for millions, creating a loop of affordability and access at a scale the world had never seen. And now, inspired by the Model T, another revolution is taking shape with the same transformative spirit. A platform founded on relentless efficiency, radical simplification, and flexibility. A vehicle assembled in a reimagined factory with bold design, more space, endless configurability, and an entirely new digital experience. Priced for possibility, easy to own, low maintenance, and fun to drive. And it starts right here in Louisville, where for 70 years we've built with passion, craft, ingenuity, and care. From Kentucky to the world. A new chapter starts now.